Did you know Microsoft recently released an optimization tool designed to boost the performance and security of your Windows OS? At least that's what they claim it does. It's called PC Manager. If you have heard of CCleaner, you can think of this as an alternative. So what exactly is it? Instead of navigating through various Windows tools and settings, PC Manager is a one-stop solution addressing issues like low memory, limited storage space, disabling unnecessary background apps, and more. There are 2 new additions, so if you want to know about them, do watch this video till the end. The Home tab serves as your central hub for boosting performance. This app introduces a new boost feature which quickly terminates non-essential background processes, freeing up memory and clearing temporary files to enhance performance. If you prefer an automated approach, the Smart Boost function would do the same thing once a certain threshold is reached. Additionally, the Health Check feature helps you to identify and remove temporary files and disable startup apps to prevent unnecessary programs from using system resources, which also improves boot times. Like Disk Cleanup tool, Deep Cleanup feature extends its reach beyond system files, allowing you to clear cache and temporary files for third-party apps as well. Whereas the Process feature allows for manual termination of programs. Under the same tab, Startup App feature lets you disable apps to improve system load times, just like in the Task Manager. Moving on to the Protection tab, you'll find tools for virus protection, easy access to Windows and drivers updates, and options to configure your default web browser. It also includes a utility to repair the taskbar to default settings if you have any problem with your third-party taskbar installed. Additionally, it links to the page from where you can change the default programs for specific file types and purposes. A new addition in this is the Pop-up Management tool, which blocks unwanted pop-ups in apps and on web pages. If a pop-up isn't blocked, you can add it as a new role. The Storage tab offers compelling features. Beyond managing downloads and temporary files, it reveals large files that are consuming significant storage space. For example, I have 2 sizable iOS updates for my devices. I can use it to find such files and either move them to another drive or remove them permanently. Along with this, the Duplicates Files feature scans and identifies duplicate files on the disk. Removing the duplicates is another effective way to free up space and organize the data. The Apps tab mirrors the Home tab with functions to terminate apps, alter startup apps, and suggest to uninstall seldom used apps. Very straightforward. Lastly, the Toolbox tab serves as a shortcut to various Windows tools like the Screenshot utility, Notepad, Calculator, and more. You can either use it as a floating toolbar or dock it to the sides of your screen for quick access. It also includes the boost feature that we talked earlier for immediate use. However, be aware that this toolbar has occasionally obstructed with certain activities, for instance when closing apps and while gaming. I hope Microsoft addresses this issue quickly. In conclusion, the majority of the features can be accessed via Windows settings or the control panel. However, the addition of new tools such as Pop-up Management and a duplicate file scanner enhance the utility of the app, removing the need for third-party apps. In my view, the app will suit beginners or non-technical users. For those with more experience, manual optimization of the OS remains the preferred approach. PC Manager is available for free to download from the Microsoft Store. So, what are your thoughts on this app? Give it a try and share your opinions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you have enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Your support is greatly appreciated. Until next time.